Today's video is all about the warning signs of high blood sugar levels that you should be aware of. High blood sugar levels can be dangerous if left untreated, and can lead to serious health issues such as diabetes, heart disease, and more. That's why it's important to recognize the signs and take action right away. In this video, we'll be sharing 15 common symptoms of high blood sugar levels, and what you can do immediately to bring your levels back to a healthy range. So, if you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's dive in. Blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, refers to the concentration of glucose in the blood. It is an essential source of energy for the body's cells, and it is regulated by the hormone insulin, which is produced by the pancreas. However, if the blood sugar level becomes too high, it can lead to various health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, and nerve damage. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the signs of high blood sugar and take appropriate action immediately. Number 1. Frequent urination. When your blood sugar level is high, your kidneys try to remove the excess glucose from your blood by filtering it out through urine. This results in frequent urination, which can be a sign of high blood sugar. If you notice that you are urinating more often than usual, it is important to check your blood sugar level and take appropriate action. Number 2. Excessive thirst. High blood sugar levels can cause dehydration, which can lead to excessive thirst. If you are drinking more water than usual or feel thirsty all the time, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Excessive thirst, also known as polydipsia, is a common symptom of high blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar level is too high, your kidneys have to work harder to filter and absorb glucose, causing them to produce more urine. Number 3. Dry mouth. A high blood sugar level can also cause a dry mouth, which can be uncomfortable and lead to dental problems. Dry mouth is a feeling of dryness or stickiness in the mouth, and may be accompanied by a sore throat, cracked lips, or a burning sensation in the mouth. Number 4. Fatigue. If you feel tired and sluggish even after getting enough rest, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. This is because high blood sugar levels can interfere with the body's ability to use glucose as fuel, leaving you feeling tired and low on energy. Fatigue is a feeling of tiredness or exhaustion that can affect your ability to perform daily activities. You may feel weak, lethargic, or have difficulty concentrating. Number 5. Blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can cause the lens of the eye to swell, leading to blurred vision. If you are experiencing blurry vision or having trouble focusing, it is important to check your blood sugar level and take appropriate action. Number 6. Headaches. High blood sugar levels can also cause headaches, which can range from mild to severe. If you are experiencing frequent headaches, it is important to check your blood sugar level and take appropriate action. Headaches can be caused by a variety of factors, including high blood sugar levels, stress, dehydration, hormonal changes, and certain medical conditions. Number 7. Slow healing. High blood sugar levels can interfere with the body's ability to heal wounds and injuries. If you notice that your cuts and bruises are taking longer than usual to heal, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Number 8. Numbness and tingling. High blood sugar levels can damage nerves in the body, leading to numbness and tingling sensations in the hands and feet. If you are experiencing these symptoms, it is important to check your blood sugar level and take appropriate action. Number 9. Recurrent infections. High blood sugar levels can weaken the immune system, making it more susceptible to infections. If you are experiencing recurrent infections, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Number 10. Irritability. High blood sugar levels can affect mood and lead to irritability and mood swings. If you find yourself becoming easily agitated or frustrated, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Irritability is a feeling of being easily annoyed or angered, even in situations that wouldn't normally bother you. You may find yourself snapping at others, feeling more sensitive to noise or other stimuli, or having trouble controlling your emotions. Number 11. Increased hunger. High blood sugar levels can cause hunger and cravings, leading to overeating and weight gain. If you find yourself feeling hungry all the time or experiencing intense food cravings, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Number 12. Skin problems. High blood sugar levels can lead to skin problems, including dry skin, itching, and rashes. If you are experiencing these symptoms, it is important to check your blood sugar level and take appropriate action. Skin problems can manifest in a variety of ways, including dry or itchy skin, rashes, skin infections, slow wound healing, and darkened patches of skin. To manage skin problems, it is important to maintain good blood sugar control and to take steps to promote healthy skin. This can include keeping your skin clean and moisturized. Number 13. Fruity breath odor. High blood sugar levels can cause a fruity or sweet odor on the breath, which is a sign of diabetic ketoacidosis. This is a serious complication of diabetes that requires immediate medical attention. Number 14. Dizziness. High blood sugar levels can cause a drop in blood pressure, leading to dizziness and lightheadedness. If you are experiencing these symptoms, it is important to check your blood sugar level and take appropriate action. Number 15. Difficulty concentrating. High blood sugar levels can affect cognitive function and make it difficult to concentrate or focus. If you are experiencing difficulty with tasks that require mental effort, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. If you notice any of these signs of high blood sugar, it is important to take appropriate action immediately. Here are some steps you can take. Step 1. Check your blood sugar level. Use a glucose meter to check your blood sugar level. If it is above the target range, take appropriate action. Step 2. Drink water. Drinking water can help to flush out excess glucose from your system and prevent dehydration. Step 3. Exercise. Physical activity can help to lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. However, it is important to check with your doctor before starting a new exercise program. Step 4. Take medication as prescribed. If you are taking medication to manage your blood sugar, make sure you take it as prescribed by your doctor. Step 5. Follow a healthy diet. Eating a healthy, balanced diet can help to regulate blood sugar levels. 5. Focus on whole foods that are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. In conclusion, high blood sugar levels can cause a range of symptoms and health problems. But by being aware of the signs and taking appropriate action, you can help to manage your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. If you are concerned about your blood sugar levels or have any questions, talk to your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.